Hey guys, this is Juan Mazzo. Thanks for joining me today. Today I want to cover how Shopify works. Shopify works by basically removing all the elements, all the variables that can take down a website. So if you've been a WordPress guru in the past, you know that the pitfalls that most people run into when they create their website is they probably forget to update it, right? So imagine if you forget to update a platform, a website that has people's personal information, credit cards, things of that nature. You wouldn't feel too confident. Most people's limitations or capabilities kind of end at creating a website. Most people don't even bother creating a website. Imagine having to, rely or meet, PCI requirements that make you say, do you test your security for on card transactions and things of that nature. So what Shopify does is just strips away all the complexity so that you as a business owner can just focus on what matters most, which is good products, good customer support. Essentially, the function that they really deliver is website uptime and a checkout cart. So your cart is usually the solution. It's usually the term thrown around within the industry. It's like, what cart do you use? Oh, I use WooCommerce on WordPress. Oh, I use Shopify. And then it's the same thing all over the place. Shopify really enables business owners to just upload anything. You can upload your own paintings if you're an artist. You can upload your own music if you have your own like types of loops that you want to sell or things of that nature. Or ultimately, again, you can go to dropshipping. Find someone that has a bunch of products that you want to sell at a markup, or maybe you want to go to local people who provide nice products and you want to set up your own type of Etsy type store, right? The big difference between Shopify, Etsy, eBay is that with Shopify, you have to run your own traffic. With Etsy, eBay, the traffic it's already there. It's a marketplace. You're basically going to the market with your product, and if someone finds it, they're gonna buy it. With Shopify, you have to do everything. You have to build your own SEO. You have to run traffic. You have to give people a reason to come to you. But the return is better because with Shopify, once you have people's emails addresses, you can actually just constantly offer them more and more products. Don't focus on can I get conversions? Can I increase things? You don't have to worry about things like that. You just literally got to focus about providing value, providing a good offer, and then making sure your customers are happy once they transact with you. That's pretty much the whole idea behind Shopify, is that you focus on product, you focus on value. That's how Shopify works. Takes out all the complexity so that you as a business owner can focus on things that matter the most, like business. That's it, guys. That's it for this very short video. Stick around for more answers to be revealed regarding how Shopify payments works and any other like weird questions that may come up. If you guys want, you can go ahead and add any comments below. You can go ahead and shoot me a message, Messenger, Facebook. Follow me on all my social media platforms. And if you guys have any questions for me personally that you'd like me to answer on these videos, more than happy to do so. That's it, and thanks for watching.